Welcome back, guys. In this video we'll be looking at loops. Now, what are loops? Loops are basically some set or blocks of code that continues to run provided a condition is true. Once the condition is set to false, the block of code will stop running. So that is what a loop is. And let's just go ahead and visualize this. Now, if we have a PHP line that actually loops through a code, now let's declare a variable and just call this age is equal to let's say 5, for example. And there are different type of loops that we can do. We can do a while loop, we can do a do while loop. Now for this video we're going to be doing a while loop, and right here we can see a while. Now this particular code will run provided uh age. Let's just write the code first. If age is equal or is less than or equal to 10, but we have our age to be less than or equal to 12. Now this, if we should echo something here, now this block of code will run infinite. And the reason why this block of code will run infinite is because 5 will always be less than 10, and this will keep on running. So let's just preview that and see if I don't crash my system. Let's just do that. You can see it keeps running, it keeps running. Let's just stop that. I can't stop that. Yeah. So I think that's going to crash my system. Uh but the only way to stop this is to actually increase the value of 5 each time the code run. So earlier my system is still running. Let's just close that. Yeah, let's open it again. Now, one thing we can do is to actually increase the value of this variable each time the codes run. Now, when we were doing operators, I showed you increment and decrement. So we can do that at here, and you can say age plus plus. So this will run about 5 times, and after that the value of this variable will be greater than 10, and this code block of code will stop running. So let's go over to our browser and let's just close this, and let's open it again. Let's just say PHP beginner. Yeah, and right here we want to go over to the loop. Yeah, so you can see the block of code that runs about 5 times, and let's just echo the age out so we can visualize this perfectly. So you can see 5, 6, 7, 8, and when it gets to number 10, the code stops running because it's more than 10, it's greater than 10, and this condition is now false. So hopefully you understand that, and we can move on to another type of loop, which is the for loop. And the for loop is actually different from this entirely. So let's just see that in the next video.